Unreal, unreal. Yep, here.
Man, this is once in a lifetime. Not sure I'm going to see this like anything like this ever again.
Yep. Let's go. What's up? What's up? What's up?
What's up?
What's up? Rain. I can't see anything. My whole chashma is fogged up. I don't know how I'll ride, but we'll see. चलो मेरे में जा. Let's look. अरे what's it right now? That rainbow. I don't know if it is visible on this camera, but I can see it. It is pretty. But yeah, this side is black, that side is white, and we are racist. Let's go. Let's go towards the rainbow. Let's go. Otherwise, I'll go into this paddy. Look at that view. Look at that view. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes, and there's clouds, then mountains. Right? We love run food. चलो. And uphill. Alright. Unreal. I think this is yes, that is a dead end. That is the top. Let's go. Yep, here. Still not there. Aro ache upore. Aro ache. We will. Let's wait. The silence.
There is a very soothing song which is
Final view. That look at that white sheet. It's raining there. It's not raining here. It's not raining here. It's raining there. Damn. The rain is literally moving. We can see the rain moving. Black clouds. And the rain is coming for us. So we should leave. The rain is coming to us. Rain is coming to us. We are in the clouds, dude. Oh, dude.
So that means that we
are going to get drenched.
Not just drenched. Dude, stand away from the poles, please.
Oh, look at that. That's just rain moving so fast with the clouds. Look at the clouds just going towards that direction. And it's raining. It's fucking raining. Look at those clouds moving. Oh shit.
And this is once in a lifetime. Not sure I'm going to see this like anything like this ever again.
Yep.
Oh man.
The whole area got covered with the clouds. Clouds just moved into us literally almost. Hopefully the cloud passes and we can go down from here.
No, there's no turning back from here. We are going to stay here for quite some time. Just see.
We are in the rain.
We can't see anything as of now. And the good thing is we were not driving.
That is a good thing.
If we were driving, then most probably we won't be able to see the curves.
Correct.
And the curves are pretty sharp over here.
That's what she said. And the mountains vanish into bliss. And you can see them.
Oh, so much dark.
Literally gone away. Just gone away. Vanish.